Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to return an item on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course you will find welcome back sentence with your name if you are logged in into your account. If you are not, or you don't even have an account, or you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner or sign in option. Instead of those icons, click on it and you will be able to log in into your account, or even to create your account. If you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account, you will be able to use your Facebook account, Google account, or even your Apple account to log in or even to create your account. So once you did one of those options, as we said, you'll find yourself here at this home or at this main page with the welcome back sentence, right? With your name, of course. So as we said at the beginning of the video, we would like to return an item on Etsy website. So of course, if you need to return or exchange even an item, the seller you purchased your order from is the best person to help you. So simply, if the seller is willing to accept this return, be sure to settle on the details and a message before returning the item. Of course, you will probably do that because you find something wrong about the item, because if you didn't find anything about the item wrong, or and you just wanna like get back the item, probably the seller will refuse and you will be, or you will have to go and contact Etsy website and they have to be the intermediary between you both. And of course it may get complicated, and it may not even return your item. So the only option to return your item is to have something broken about it or not as on the details of the item here on the website. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.